Should you wear protective equipment while unclogging a toilet? Yes, because exposure to waste and bacteria is a real hazard. When unclogging a toilet, start by putting on rubber gloves that extend past the wrist to protect skin from contact with contaminated water and waste. Add eye protection, such as safety goggles, if there is any chance of splashback, since mucous membranes are an easy entry point for pathogens. Wear old clothing or an apron that you can launder immediately on the hottest recommended cycle or that you can discard if heavily soiled. Use a flange plunger with firm controlled strokes rather than jerky motions to reduce splashing and maintain a seal. If the plunger is not effective, switch to a closet auger, which reaches deeper into the trap without pushing material further into the drain. Keep a bucket and several clean rags nearby to manage spills and wipe surfaces promptly, then disinfect with a diluted bleach solution or an Environmental Protection Agency registered disinfectant following label contact times. Finally, wash hands thoroughly with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds after removing gloves, even if no visible contamination occurred. Common mistakes start with skipping gloves because people think short contact is harmless. That increases risk of skin contamination, so always put gloves on before touching any tools or the toilet bowl. Another frequent issue is using excessive force with a plunger or improvised tools, which causes splashback and can damage porcelain. Avoid that by creating a good seal and using steady pressure or switching to a proper closet auger if resistance is high. A third problem is neglecting to disinfect and launder clothing after the job, which leaves bacteria in the environment. Immediately clean any exposed clothing on the hottest safe machine setting and disinfect surfaces and tools following product instructions. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and lets contractors find work by connecting people who need projects with those who can do them. We also host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and learn practical tips from peers and professionals.